So, no black wizard here in a Volvo estate. Red car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe, Steve Wright, Wayne Kissons, Brady Huntley, Fred West, really don't think so. No Black Panther, serial killer here, Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. One big monster con, Monster Bluff, Monster Gaff, Epic Fail in Dis, Norfolk, UK, and all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, and certainly not mine. As always, I have heard all their monster lies in Dis, Norfolk, UK. Certainly no mad, deranged, insane, demon possessed, Jekyll and Hyde, number 21 or number 23, serial killer here. No black killer, dog wolf, no wolf man, dog man. No son of Sam, Sandringham serial killer. Again, I really don't think so. No Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B. Sandringham serial killer. A red car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe, Steve Wright, Wayne Kissons, Brady Huntley, Fred West. And all to cover up Prince Harry Potter, Prince of Darkness, E.T. Hybrid Host, Red Dragon. His High Royal Blue Crime, New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder. Certainly not mine. That is the word that came off the Royal Sandringham Estate, Killenfields, loud and clear. And that is Prince William Way there on the right. So their High Royal Blue Crime, and that one's white pickup there with 21 on it. No Dis Lawnmower Man here. Lawnmower Man in the crime series, The True Detectives. Satanic serial killer, the Yellow King, riding round in a white pickup. And another very good crime drama, Suspect, where there was a lad, number 21, was very special to him as his dad drove a number 21 bus who was falsely set up as a paedophile. His dad then committed suicide and blew himself up. No sombre, autonomy of a crime, no woolly hat, serial killer here. Clockwork Orange, Norwich train station, mountain bike rapist. As always, not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham Estate. Killenfields, their High Royal Blue Crime. New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder, certainly not mine. No John Doe of Dis. Number 7, serial killer here, really don't think so.